Hello everyone, my name is Claire Hayek, founder and CEO of MSP Teambuilding. Welcome to episode 2 of our vlog. The way to nourish that company culture is to initiate activities, whether it's in team building or just in-house activities, whether done virtually or in person, in order to engage the employees and make them feel recognized. Some create social clubs, some create event committees, some just delegate the task automatically to the actual supervisor or the leader of the team. There's a variety of ways to do this, but most importantly, what I wanted to share with you today is the importance of giving that task to your employees. I will discuss this in the next episode. What is the best way to get a social club going or event committee, whether again done virtually or in person? There's a way to do it that is more efficient than what organizations do or what we've seen so far. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next episode.